Secretary of Justice together with Engineer Bernardo, both of them committed that Engineer Bernardo will go to the DOJ accompanied by the DOJ Secretary for the purpose of filing the appropriate charges only. And Engineer Bernardo will not in any way add or alter the affidavit that he presented before us. Meaning to say, no additions, no subtractions, walang alterations. Whatever copy that he distributed to this committee will be just that.
That is correct.
Thank
At
you,
saka
Mr. Chair.
recorded naman po, nasa transcript, nasa YouTube, nasaan pa.
Yes, sir.
Kaya
Kasi po,
kung mag-alter siya, he will be liable for perjury.
Hindi po, no supplement, no nothing. Kasi
No,
po
he
yung iba, pagdating dito, nagsusupplement. Ang sabi niya, wala na po akong idadagdag. Yun lang po.
Meron siya sa statement niya na I humbly reserve the right to submit a supplementary affidavit
Yun nga
if
po
warranted.
Kaya po
in the
sinabi ko sa
premises.
kanya, meron ka rito, magdadagdag. Kasi dapat sana alam natin because he presented himself before this committee, but whatever he does outside this committee, wala tayong kinalaman. Hindi na po natin nalalaman kung ano mangyayari. I mean, for purposes of transparency, Mr. President,
You're saying
Mr. Chair,
that just
kaya
in case...
po pumapayag na kami na nadadil. Paano yung supplemental? Hindi na po natin malalaman. There will be no guidelines.
Dito rin po yung
Dito rin
supplemental.
gagawin yung supplemental.
Hindi nga po natin malalaman eh. We will not be guided. Ano ba sasabihin niya? Why not before us?
Hearing is suspended. Resolve